Hello, this will be a demonstration of proposition 16 from book 7 of Euclid's Elements, which says that if two numbers multiplied together make certain numbers, the two numbers so produced, or in other words their products, will be equal to one another. We're going to be given two numbers, the numbers a and the number b, such that a times b produces c, and b times a produces d, and the task before us is to prove that the numbers c and the number d are equal to one another. Now, because the number a multiplied by the number b produces the number c, therefore follows from the definition of multiplication, which is definition 7:15, that the number b measures the number c the same number of times that the unit, which we're going to call e, measures the number a. And this being the case, that the unit e measures the number a the same number of times that the number b measures the number c, then alternately, by proposition 7:15, the unit e measures the number b the same number of times that the number a measures the number c. Now, again, because the number b multiplied by the number a produces the number d, we were given this, it therefore follows again from the definition of multiplication, definition 7:15, that the number a measures the number d the same number of times that our unit e measures the number b, which means that the unit e measures the number b the same number of times that the number a measures the number c, and the same number of times that the number a measures the number d. Which then means that the number a measures the number c the same number of times that the number a also measures the number d, that's a property of numbers, from which it obviously follows that the number c must be equal to the number d. And this is precisely what we set out to prove, which means we are done with the proposition, therefore, etc., QED. This is one of the most important propositions, not just within book 7, but throughout all the books of number theory. This is what is now called the axiom of commutability, that it doesn't matter in what order you multiply things in, that a times b is the same as b times a. For an example, 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3. Both are equal to 12. You can imagine how useful this must be, that multiplication is commutative. So yeah, this is one that you're going to want to remember. That's all I've got to say about this proposition, so I'll end the video here and move on to proposition 7:17.